Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to play with some fidgets. So just get started. Wow, this is so cool. It's all rainbow colors. It's hamburgers. This is a fidget spinner. Yeah, there's poppets. Whoa, this is a poppet ball. Wow. Love it. So cool. Wow, this is a unicorn squishy. It's so squishy like foam. And it can squish really. Looks so yummy. Whoa. This is a pot too. Wow. Whoa. Stress ball. Whoa, this has Orbeez. This has Orbeez and it's so fun to play. Wow. This is a Slinny. This is so cool. It can stretch and it's rainbowy with the colors. Wow. Oh, this is a cute little elephant mochi. Oh, so cute. Wow, this is a star Slippy. It's a mini Slippy. It's so tiny. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Bye.